Welcome to day 9 of the 14-day challenge. Today, I'm going to show you how to add Pavé to your designs in just a few simple clicks. If you're not familiar, Pavé is a popular jewelry technique where small gemstones are set close together with minimal metal showing. It creates a gorgeous effect, but can be very time-consuming to design by hand. Luckily, with JewelKitPro, we can save a ton of time. Let's dive in. Today, we're going to design a classic diamond pavé ring. The components you need are the open ring, the round diamond, and the round prong. Bring in all these components to your design space, and let's start by placing the round diamond in the center of the open ring, and then set a smaller diamond with 4 prongs to use it for the pavé. Next, select part of the open ring and using the warp tool, shape it in a way that it's curving around the diamond. Do the same for the upper part of the open ring and curve it around the center diamond. Next, let's start positioning the set diamond in 4 prongs on the metal part of the ring. When you place your first diamond, duplicate it, merge the two together, and then duplicate them together to go faster. Use the distort feature on the sides of the ring to follow the curvature of the metal. And that's it for day 9. I hope you enjoyed creating your first Pavé ring and see how easy it is to bring these designs to life with JewelKitPro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you tomorrow in day 10.